guys. Good morning. I had a nice day. Went to the beach. It was like the perfect weather. Um, One crazy guy did like almost crash into us, like try to run us off the road, but we survived. I'm here. I hit my head on the what's it called, the rear view mirror, but I'm okay. I'm fine, guys. So this video is very long overdue. I have 3 Ipsy box subscriptions that I haven't reviewed, but I'm planning to send some of the makeup to my daughter in California. So I need to review it before. I don't use the stuff until I review it for you guys. So I don't know how to tell you which one is for which month. I actually do know which one is for like the last box, because they started sending the makeup bags again recently. But before I get into that, I wanted to show you my picture that I made during one of our painting parties in my sister's house. This one was by my little niece that I love. She made a picture, and then that's supposed to be my mood ring that I wear. So I asked if I could keep it. I'll probably put it in my office at work. Okay, so let me get into these boxes. I feel these are the new boxes that they're sending. So I'm gonna say this is the oldest box. I have 3 I never reviewed for you guys. It's a lot of stuff in here. This is some kind of illuminating, a peel off mask. They keep sending me masks, although I don't really like masks. I always say I'm gonna make the reviews of the masks. I guess I need to start making more videos. Okay. They always, in each box you have like a card, and it tells you, you know, the items that's in the box, which are worth way more than you actually pay for the boxes. This is a translucent powder. I get a lot of powders in these boxes. Unfortunately, when you get a little older, ladies, these make your fine lines show more. So I don't use powder that much, but that's a personal preference. There is a lipstick in here I haven't even tried. I don't have my glasses on, so I don't know what it says. But let's see. Oh, it actually looks pretty. It's a kind of like a nice coral color. One of my favorite lipsticks they sent me, I lost it. It was like burnt orange. I lose a lot of my lipsticks somehow. No, a lot of my makeup. So. Okay. Oh wow. I don't know, like I hadn't even looked at all this stuff, but this is like a whole palette. If you guys, this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Oh wow, it's like there's a lot of products in here. Oh, I'm like, did I already review this box? I'm a little confused right now. I might have, but whatever. Okay. Look at the colors. They're very pretty. One of my next videos is gonna be to get ready with me. I'll put on some of this makeup. Well, this is blushes and highlighter. Right. Okay, that was all from just one box. So wow. Okay. Here's the next box. There's gonna be 3 of them. So this box, in this box, which was last month, they were supposed to start sending me the makeup bags again. Oh, my camera's falling, you guys. I really need to get better equipment for my videos. Is this a better angle? Okay. So this is an exfoliator, Dr. Brandt. The brands of the things, the products are high end, so you do get your money's worth. I got a pack of 3 brushes. Very nice. Very good quality stuff here. Ooh. Let me see. Ooh. These are so pretty, you guys. Look at that. Nice quality. It's called Farah Be Beautiful Be You. Here's a little card. Like I said, that shows you all the products, how much they're worth. And more blushes. These are nice colors. These are more like for fair skin. I have more of a medium skin tone. And then a black liquid eyeliner. Girl always needs black liquid eyeliner. The products are really good quality. Really good quality. This is Ico. Whoop. There it goes. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. This did have a makeup bag inside. Oh my god. I complained and they sent me another makeup bag. I feel so bad right now. Ipsy, I hope you're not watching. I can't believe. Oh my god. That's what happens, you guys, because I haven't been using the products. This is 3 months worth of makeup boxes that I received. What is this? I don't even know. What the hell? Ooh. Oh my god. Spectra stick. I should put on my glasses when I make this video because I can't see. Ah, there goes my camera again, guys. Sorry. This looks like a highlighting stick. My apologies. I swear I'm gonna get some better equipment for videos. I really need to, guys. I'm feeling so bad about this bag. Oh my god. Oh, I can now I have 2 makeup bags. These are actually Betty Boop. every month has a theme. This is this month's box, and the makeup bags are really big. This is like a lot bigger than the ones because before Ipsy came up with these big boxes, they were just it was just like a makeup bag with like 5 trial sizes. These boxes are full sizes, and look at the size of these makeup bags. So you guys, I mean, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with all this stuff. Okay, this month's box has Hydra. This is like a hydrating gel for your face. One of these things, I think this month's box is supposed to be for having dewy skin. So this is a hydro gel for your skin. I can honestly open like a makeup store. What is this? Bite Your Kiss. Oh my god, you guys. Oh, what the fuck? I don't know what this is. Is this? I have no idea what it is. Oh my god. Well. Oh. You guys. Oh my god. This is so pretty. This is a nail polish. Oh my god. It's a lot of stuff. Oh, there goes my camera again. This is a mess. Okay, we're almost finished. We're gonna get through this. This is... Oh my god. These things are so hard to open. I need an assistant. Does anyone want some makeup? Oh my god, this is so pretty. Guys, oh my god, more blush. Might have to skip a few months of these subscriptions, because what is the girl gonna do with all this makeup? Oh, see, this is called Dewy Stick. And again, the theme is having dewy skin. For all these, by the way, like Ipsy has an app. You do personalize the products with a beauty quiz, and then when you get your items, they show you videos of how to use the products. So oh look, it's a dewy stick. Yay, now I'm all dewy. And lastly, this is some type of a cream, Belle and Argent. Smoking on Screen. Is this a lipstick? Oh my god, you guys. I don't know what this is. Oh my god, it is a lipstick. Okay. Look at that, guys. So pretty. Oh my god, this packaging is amazing. Okay, that's it for the products. You guys have a nice day.